We always want to make our life beautiful, but sometimes some of our unintentional action makes it difficult to achieve our goal. Here are 5 things you can remember to spice up your life with happiness. Number 1. Be grateful. Every time you eat, every time you throw away something outside, every time you get something, be grateful. Number 2. Sleep more. Sleeping is important to stay happier. If you have enough sleep, then you can avoid so many diseases. So sleeping is really important to make your mood happy and positive. Number 3. Read books. Read books to know yourself and to understand your surroundings. When you read some books, you have a different perspective of a subject. So you can think differently. You understand more about life. Even you don't have time, just read 5 or 10 pages every day. After some years, you will find that you have learned a lot of things from books. Number 4. Not to argue. Before arguing with someone, ask yourself these 3 questions. Does it bring something better? Does it make sense? Or is it worth wasting your time by arguing? So don't argue with anyone to keep your inner peace. Number 5. Inspire others. Inspire others to do things. So how can you inspire others? When you will live your life fully, then other people will see you and they will learn from you. This is how you can inspire others. And if you have any information that can be helpful for others, then share the information you have. Share your thoughts. You can give them some motivation. These 5 things obviously not bring all the happiness in your life, but at least solve your 50% problems. I hope you will have a beautiful life. And if you like our videos, then please do consider subscribe our channel and share the videos with your friends and family. See you again.